the perfect set of an infinite number of elements. This is the wonderful spectacle of a nebula. And it all starts here. Nebula, the new Neri outdoor lighting collection. Nebula consists of a modular, scalable, and customizable lighting system with endless possible configurations. Something completely new arrives on the market. Nebula system consists of 3 luminaire head types: Venezia, large, small. Luminaire heads withstand any degree of tilt and revolve around the pole. They are characterized by choice of 2 light sources at either end that can be controlled together or separately. System's poles are available in 4 heights, 2 diameters, and different color combinations. The collection also includes path light and illuminating bollard. The optical package consists of symmetrical and asymmetrical distributions, as well as projectors with a beam ranging from 10 to 80 degrees, color temperatures from 2700 to 4000 Kelvin, including amber and RGBW. This is the future. This is Nebula.